What if I told you a zero-knowledge blockchain just exploded 94% while Bitcoin got crushed by gold's all-time high? Today's Crypto Pulse reveals how NOCKCHAIN is leading a selective recovery while the digital gold narrative completely falls apart. Let's dive in. Hey, crypto family, Alex from Moonward Capital here with your 6-minute Crypto Pulse flash update for October 18th, 2025. If you're new to the channel, we deliver these condensed market briefings every 12 hours to keep you ahead of the crowd. Let's start with our major assets. Bitcoin is trading at 106,716 Churn, down 1.9% over the past 24 hours. Ethereum sits at 3,856 knots, down 1.75%. BNB showing more weakness at 1,087, down 5.04%, and XRP at 2.32, down 1.29%. The overall crypto market cap stands at $2.13 trillion, with 24-hour volume at $94.4 billion. And check this out. The Fear and Greed Index is holding at 45.13, still in fear territory as the market tries to stabilize. But the real story today is NOCKCHAIN, which has exploded 94% in the past 24 hours, surging from 0.09 to 0.175 with over $10.8 million in volume. This zero-knowledge blockchain is leading what appears to be a selective altcoin recovery while much of the market struggles. We're seeing a clear rotation toward quality infrastructure plays, with L1 tokens now commanding 18.86% mindshare among traders. Meanwhile, we're witnessing a stark divergence between Bitcoin and traditional gold. While Bitcoin struggles to hold support at $106,700, gold continues its relentless march to fresh all-time highs above 4,350. This is exposing a critical narrative failure. When institutional investors want a safe haven during banking sector stress, they're clearly choosing the 4,000-year-old asset over the 15-year-old digital gold. Looking at sector performance beyond NOCKCHAIN's 94% surge, we're seeing Bitcoin up 6.55% showing AI resilience, and Ethena up 9.94% as the yield narrative gains traction. On the downside, Hyperliquid is cooling off down 4.39%, and Aster is experiencing a post-listing sell-off, down 7.69%. On the derivatives front, Bitcoin open interest stands at $45.9 billion, with funding rates at negative 0.2%, meaning shorts are paying longs, a potential contrarian indicator. Ethereum open interest is $31.9 billion, with neutral funding at 0.04%. The 24-hour liquidation volume is moderating from yesterday's peak, suggesting the worst of the cascade might be behind us. One fascinating development is the surge in buyback mechanisms, which now capture 16.05% mindshare dominance. Revenue-generating protocols like Pump are maintaining their buyback pace with $1 million in weekly revenue-driven repurchases. This suggests a flight to quality where investors are prioritizing protocols that actually generate cash flow rather than pure speculation. Before we wrap up, I want to highlight something critical. The gold crypto divergence we're seeing isn't just about price. It represents a fundamental challenge to crypto's store of value narrative. When banking stress emerges, institutional capital is clearly showing its preference. Here's what to watch in the next 12 hours. Can NOCKCHAIN sustain its momentum above 0.15 after this explosive 94% surge? Will Bitcoin defend the crucial $106,000 support level? Does the gold rally continue to outpace crypto, widening this narrative gap? Can revenue-generating protocols maintain their buyback activities? The stabilization test begins now, with NOCKCHAIN surging 94% while Bitcoin holds crucial support and Fear and Greed remains at 45.13. We're witnessing a selective recovery where quality is emerging from fear. Are you hunting oversold altcoin gems like NOCK, accumulating major assets at fear levels, or waiting for clearer bottom confirmation? Drop your strategy in the comments below. That's your Crypto Pulse Flash update for October 18th. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe for updates every 12 hours, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the crowd. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, and I'll see you in the next Pulse.